everyone. So today we are going to see a tutorial about how we register in insurance company web page. So I'm looking for United India Insurance. So this is the Google search itself. It shows you the first website that is a United India Insurance Company website. So we have a lot of options here, but we will go directly to the websites. You have the hyperlink for motor insurance, health insurance, renewal, agent, like contact us, those pages. But we directly go to this web page. Now I'm proceeding with login as I'm a customer. So this is the portal to log in for customers. As I don't have an account, I'm creating a new customer. This is the option to register a new customer. So I will use my name, my phone number, email address, and there is a captcha, which would be 64, 65. It's an OTP sent to my mobile phone. I'm waiting for that OTP. Okay, I'm entering that OTP. So click next. Okay. So now we could log in using the email address or phone number. There's a problem with my keystroke. Yeah. More OTP for login. I got the OTP. Perfect. So this is how we sign up and sign into United India Insurance Company web page. Now here a lot of options are there, but what we are going to do here is with motor insurance. So actually I'm trying for renewal. So we have both options, either policy number or vehicle registration number. I am going with a vehicle registration number. This is the option where I enter my vehicle registration number. Then quickly look for it. I'm not able to search with like registration number, so I will go with policy number. Check with policy.